Dear friends, we were dealing with all English alphabets starting from A to Z, and based on the alphabets, we are thinking about how to reach success. The last alphabet was L. Now today we are going to work with M. So when we consider M, there are two aspects mainly. One is manners, the other is mercy. It is said that manners maketh man. Manners maketh man means compared with the other lives, that means animal life, the life of birds and all that, we find that some difference is in man. And the difference which makes man is manners. That is why it said manners maketh man. So manners is one of the quality that a human being must have. So we can say that manners maketh a gentleman, because in the case of all men we don't find manners. So in the case of certain people we find manners. So those who work with manners, they are gentlemen. So a gentleman needs manners. So his gentle nature enables him to show manners to his fellow beings. So he will consider others also as gentlemen. So that is because of a quality which he has, that is manners. So manners is the state of mind which helps a person to accept himself and others equally. So he knows his worth and the worth of others. So an example for manners is in Ramayana. Sri Rama is said to as the person who has manners throughout his life. So he is said as Maryada Purushottaman. That means a man of manners always. So we can learn manners from Sri Rama. So he was able to keep up manners all the time in his life. So manners is one of the qualities which lead us to success. And now we go to the second quality, that is mercy. Mercy is more of the heart than more of the intelligence. Manners is maybe a product of intelligence, and mercy is a product of our heart. So when we become merciful, then we become a broad-hearted human being. We are broad-hearted because of our mercy. So we come across K. In K we found kind and kind-heartedness. And kind and kind-heartedness is really mercy. So mercy is the product of kind-hearted nature. And let us be merciful towards our fellow beings. We are either on the part of might or on the part of mercy. Let us choose mercy instead of might. Let mercy becomes the guideline for us, or become the force for us to live. Let us live out of the force of mercy, not the force out of might. So let us show mercy to the whole of creation. Because God is merciful, and let us also be merciful like God. Then only we can reach success. So let us show manners, and let us show mercy to our fellow beings. Thank you all.